In this video, I'll show you how to set up your custom sales pipeline to automate follow-ups, manage your opportunities, and close deals faster. To get started, navigate to Opportunities. From here, we can create our first pipeline by clicking Add Pipeline. Then click Create New Pipeline. On this screen, we can give our pipeline a name and add stages for our opportunities to move through. Here's an example of a business pipeline that has all of the stages from new lead to closed. When you're satisfied with your pipeline, click Save. If we navigate back to the Opportunities screen, then we'll be able to see our pipeline in action. Here's where we can create, sort, and filter all of our opportunities as they move throughout our sales pipeline that we just created. Now, let's create our first opportunities. If we already have a list of contacts, then we can click Import in the top right-hand side to import our opportunities. On this screen, we can select Opportunities, click Next, upload our file, click Next once more. Then on this screen, we can map our different columns to different opportunity objects. For example, we can use the business name as our opportunity name, just like this. For this example, we don't need any more information, so we can check this and click Next. On the next screen, we can confirm our import by clicking Start Bulk Import. Back on our Opportunities screen, we can alternatively create opportunities manually by clicking Add Opportunity in the top right-hand side. We can do this by either selecting pre-existing contacts in the first screen or by entering all of the information for a new contact. We can then specify our opportunity name, which pipeline they're going to go into, which stage they'll fall into, their status, their opportunity value, and other sets of important information. If we have more information that we'd like to include in this opportunity that isn't included on this screen, then we can click Add/Manage Fields on the left-hand side. We'll then be navigated to Custom Fields, where we can create a custom field by clicking Add Field, selecting the field type, giving our field a name, and adding it to the opportunity object. We can then include this field under Opportunity Details, click Save, and we'll be good to go to include that additional information. Back in our opportunity, we can see that custom field right here. If you are going to include custom fields in your opportunities, be sure to create your custom fields before manually creating an opportunity. Then, after you've put in all of your information, you can click Create. Just like that, you can see our opportunity has been created and added into our sales pipeline, where we can move them throughout the stages of our pipeline, along with all of our other opportunities to keep our business organized. This here is our grid view, but we can also view our opportunities in a list view by selecting List View at the top right-hand side. By doing that, we can see an organized list that shows our opportunities as list items and then includes all of their information in these columns, like which stage they're in, their opportunity value, and their status. Additionally, your pipelines give you even more functionality in other parts of the system, such as automations and even being able to view your opportunities in your dashboard like this, giving you data like your opportunity status, value, conversion rates, and so much more in one easy-to-view dashboard. We encourage you to explore even more with opportunities, such as creating multiple pipelines, setting up automations, and most importantly, closing more deals. As always, I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for watching.